All right, guys, if you're working on, your antenna on your 14 to 18 Sierra Silverado, this is our problem right here. It's cross-threaded. Whoever put it on cross-threaded, couldn't get it off. So anyways, we was going to put on a spike. So anyways, basically, there's another video out there. The dude undid it right here. It was 3.7 millimeters right here. You undo it, take off that plate or whatever. Come through here, take off all these panels. Same thing that guy did in the video. You need to watch that video for it. I'm not going to go through it. Anyways, and what he did was he did a lot of extra stuff. He took off all this bottom plate right here. All kinds of extra stuff. What we're going to do, we're going to tie a string to this. Long string, we'll pull it through. We're just going to tie it to the other piece, and we're going to pull it right back through. That's the easiest way to do it. We'll show you here in a second. So this is how I done. I use the army boot. You can use, whatever you can find. Some people will use, they'll do something like this. And they'll tie like electrical tape around it, which is something I may end up doing just in case it wants to let loose, but I tied the crap out of it, so shouldn't be no issue. But yeah, and make sure it's long. This is a long string right here. It's like about as long, just as long, a little bit longer than the antenna itself, so you want to do that, but we're about to pull it through. All right, guys, so you see that? See how it's looped around right there? You see that little gray piece? Oh, you really can't. Hold on, let me try to focus it. Anyways, there's a gray piece. The best way to go about it is you see it's got this open spot over here. I'll show them right here. There's an open spot right here. Y'all see it, but come up under here with your hand and try to push that wire right here through that little open spot, and then grab it with your finger like this. Show them how I'm grabbing it with my finger right here. Grab it with your finger like that. And then you should be able to pull it through. Right there. So that's that right there. That's how you want to get that, that little loop out. Back here, there's a little grommet that goes through the firewall. You just got to pull on the antenna hard and it'll come out. Go ahead.
All right, you just came through under the dash. Now it's about to make that bend. All right. Now you to the point where the string is going through. It felt like that was the end of the connector there. There it goes.
There we go.
There's the string.
Show them right here. String right here. Can you still get a hold of it?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Okay, thank God. So you see the string right there? At that point, you're going to undo the string. Damn, it almost... Definitely run some electrical tape or something around it to make sure it holds. So, undo that, get that old connector. So there it is right there. He did a lot of extra stuff, nothing against him doing all that, but you can do this. All right, so this is what we did just to make sure, it goes in straight, because with the string, it will go in at an angle. So just make sure you do it like this. We're about to start feeding it through. We're going to get lost of video. All right, so we got it in there. Hold on. Get my hand. You kind of got it in there. It's good to have two people doing it.
There you go. You're going to have to feed it. Because I felt it moving. Oh, I see it right here. It's about to come through.
Yeah, I know. I felt it go through. Just get my hand. I can't get my hand down to make sure.
Good.
Got it in the right way. All right, go ahead. Oh, hold on. Damn, I just hit the paint. All right, keep going. Oh, hold on. This little grommet right here. I'm trying to get this little grommet around. That's how you know when it's time to stop, when you feel that grommet, JP.
All right.
All right, go ahead. All right, hold up. Hold up.
I ain't going nowhere with it.
I felt like you was pulling on. Maybe it was just me. Now I gotta feed this piece back in there without freaking hitting the hood. Oh, there we go. I ain't even worried about it. All right, pull on it. All right.
Feels tight.
That should be close. See if you can't reach.
Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and feed it the rest of the way. There it goes.
Boom.
There it is.
All you gotta do is connect it.
Yep.
Too easy.
Now you can pull the strings off of it.
Hey. Hey, I hope this video helped y'all out. Couldn't do it without my boy JP right here. Turn the camera around, Voss.
We good.
All right. Couldn't do it without my boy Voss either. We look like some alcoholics on my YouTube, bro. Every time we do it, something we
Oh,
fucking
yeah, I
drink.
know, bro.
Damn. Yo, who Daytona?
You know, a little something.
Slow
you know.
motherfucker. That's
Oh.
that monster over there, though. Look at that motherfucker. I can't see it.
Go show him.
Let me show him one time. Jesus.
Hey, that's another monster sitting next to it.
Yeah, for real. Whoever owned that ugly ass Charger though, I know they slow.
Don't be hating, man. I like my car.
Hey, that bitch slow as a motherfucker.